Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In the previous video, we saw how can we create a simple chart in AIV. In today's video, I'll be giving you the demo how will we format that chart. So let's get started. For formatting a chart, we'll go to the edit menu on the top right hand side of the chart, and here we'll go to formatting. In formatting, we'll go to general, and in general we'll go to color and theme property. Now here we'll select among the various theme options. We can select as per our own requirement, like here in this case I have selected material. Then I can click on color by category. Now by clicking on the color by category, it will fetch the color from this list of colors given over here, like you can see in this chart. Then I'll go to global thousand and decimal separator. Now, if you enable this thousand separator, you'll be able to see this value bifurcated by a separator, by a comma. And if you disable it, you'll be able to see it without a comma, without a separator. Then chart sorting based on value. Now you can sort it, whether you want to sort it in an ascending order, it will appear like this. Whether you want to sort it in a descending order, it will appear like this. Then you can click on chart title and give a particular title to your chart. Like here I will mention product sales. You can adjust the font size of this title as per your own requirement. You can make it bold, bolder, lighter. You can change the color. You can change the alignment, the background, and the background opacity. Now next we can click on chart cursor. Now chart cursor is something when I am hovering over the bars, I am able to see the series 1, the name of the product and the quantity of the product. So this is enabled, and once I enable this, I'll be able to see this on the bar once I hover on the bars. Now enable line Y. Now similarly I can enable for line Y also the same feature. So whenever I'm hovering over the values, I'll be able to see the same names. Then we have the scroll bar. Then the chart background area. You can adjust the opacity of the background and adjust the color of the background as per your own suitability. Then we have chart tooltip. Now if I disable this, you won't be able to see, like once earlier when I was hovering over these bars, you were able to see the name of the products and the quantity, but now as I have disabled it, you are not able to see any names. So this is the tooltip where you can see the names appearing once you hover over the bars. So this is how we can do the formatting of a chart. Hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and comment in the section below. And if you have any specific questions, you can also write us at support@aivhub.com, and you can also visit our website, that's www.aivhub.com. Thank you.